Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video just like yesterday about pound index and pound pairs. So let's get started. There was like Elliott wave count finishing up wave 4. So let me show you that chart. Actually, I'm going to start from the starting point. The game started from this area where the pound index was dropping, finishing wave 3 at this level, 50 to 60. So this is how the chart looks like. See this? So the wave 3 dropping to 56.60. So I said, okay, now it's going to bounce and take all the pairs with it to the upside. All pound pairs will go up except this, because pound is on the right hand side. So this pair goes down, all the pound pairs will go up, right? So from here, what happened to this chart? It was this. And from there, I said, okay, we are here, but wave 4 usually comes in 3 waves, A, B, C. And this is A, so we're going to go down here for wave B. So we did that, wave B, and then I made the chart going to the upside for wave C and finishing up wave 4. And see, this is the chart. And I wrote down every time that, what will happen. Now the pairs will go up because the index is going up. And they did. So now once we were over here on the 14th yesterday, I said, if this thing start dropping from 61% and my end of wave 4, then all pound pair will be dropping. So this is what happened as of now. I'm speaking. This is what happened. So it dropped nice and clean. But with that, like I said, I wrote down here that all pound pair going to drop. So let me show you what happened to these pound pairs, starting with from pound USD. This is today starting 15th February, and look what happened. Pound USD, pound CAD, drop. The yellow line is the day starting, February 15th, remember. So after yellow line, look what happened. Pound franc drop, pound USD, pound CAD, and all the pound yen drop, but a little bit because yen is also very weak, so it's pulling it to the upside. Pound Aussie also, it went up because 9:30 yesterday was an Aussie news. Actually, the 15th started, but in the evening, 5:30, right? So 9:30 was Aussie news, bad news. So this pair, pound Aussie and pound Aussie, they went up first, but then they dropped. Pound Aussie this, pound Aussie this, and pound euro pound supposed to go up the opposite, and then look what happened. Boom. So this is the power of the index. And now currently, what we are doing is we are here right now. It's 15.7 pound index. And I know where the heck this thing is going to go. Right now it's 3:38. So I'm going to have a webinar at 4 where I'm going to be, showing new charts and, explaining everything, what happened, what not, to my subscribers. And one of the trades that I closed already was this pound CAD, and a couple of them still running right now. But this one, I closed it because the daily range is finished. The daily range of this pair is 148, like 150, right? So the day started from here. So if you pay attention from here to here, you see they already, it did it like 160 already. So I closed it. My entry was here, right? So from here to here, I closed around 80 pip. I said, what the hell with it? So daily range is about to finish here. That's how you fix your target. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw and you want to be a part of it, you want to learn everything and take trades like that, you see that you had multiple options. And I post these things on the on my Telegram as well. You see this, the posted yesterday's video here. UJ making a long, EU making a short, GJ making a short, all of these posts, right? And let me show you the UJ, what happened. UJ long, yesterday, UJ long, where the heck is that? Let me open it up again. Today, actually, UJ long on 15. Here we go. This is because of the yen. So I'll make the yen video later on this one. That what happened to yen. All yen pair went up. Okay. So this is how it is. So it is that important, and it's very, very lucrative to watch the yen. Any index pair, and then you have multiple choice in your hand. All right. So if you want to be a part of it, then you can go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe on a monthly basis. Or if you want to become master within a month, learn about everything about how, what Forex has to do. And this system, by the way, this system, you can, trade Forex and metals and commodities and stocks, anything that you can open in MT4, you can trade very easily. You just have to, learn a little bit, and I'll show you how to do it. The stock a little bit different. Commodities or gold and silver, the sizes of the brick sizes are a little different. So, once you subscribe, I teach you everything. Okay. So this is it for now. Like I said, that go subscribe, and I hopefully I'll see you in my webinar. Today I have a webinar in 20 minutes. And but you sign up and then you can join the Sunday's webinar. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.